IoT devices. According to the needs of global markets, Omni has developed the first-generation Max IoT suitable for sharing scooters, which can monitor battery levels, anti-theft alarms, report faults, real-time positioning, calculate mileage and lights control. On the basis of the self-developed O113 IoT, to meet the needs of global bike-sharing industry, a number of new IoT have been iterated, such as M136 and M128 IoT. More fashionable shapes are applying matching to different models at will. The new lot adopts multi-module high-precision GPS inertial navigation, real-time tracking, supports local geofence, configured with Bluetooth beacon standardization parking, IPX7 waterproof level, high-definition voice broadcast, 1000 mAh, 8000 mAh battery optional, ultra-low power consumption, support 5V72V range. Please see more videos or check Omni's website for more IoT solutions for fleet manufacturers and shared mobility.